Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today in this video, I'm going to talk all about cricket, where you'll be looking at how to talk about cricket in English. And you'll be able to learn vocabulary that you need to learn to explain about cricket in English very smoothly. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, let's dive in. As you can see behind me, there are lots of boys playing cricket and others are watching the game. And I think some of my friends are also playing cricket here right now. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, nowadays cricket has been an established in a sport for hundreds of years, and it's one of the most popular sports in the world. And it originated in England, and is now very popular in countries such as Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Australia, England, and so on. Actually, my favorite sport is football. I prefer football to cricket. I'm really into playing football. However, I'm used to playing cricket as well. Playing cricket makes us feel energized. And I usually play cricket with my friends. I love to play cricket, but I don't get the chance to do it as much as I like to. Cricket is a popular sport played all over the world. Cricket is played with a bat and a ball. And it's played two teams having 11 players each. As far as I'm concerned, that there are 42 laws. And whenever we feel bored at home, whenever we feel alone, uncomfortable at home at the time, we can play cricket to get rid of it. I think this is the best way to make us. This is the best way to make us happy all the time, from feeling uncomfortable, alone, bored. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, there are different types of cricket matches played at national and international levels. Here's a look at some of the popular cricket formats. Actually, cricket is played in mainly three formats: Test, with 5 days game. This is the game played for the longest duration of time, and 1 day with 50 overs game. The team that bat first sets target is score, and the other team chase out the target. In this format, what I'm trying to say is that in 1 day, in this format, a bowler is allowed to bowl for a maximum 10 overs. And now I'm going to talk about T20. Everyone seems to like this game, T20. And I think nowadays I feel is going on, and everyone seems to like T20. T20 is played with 20 overs. Actually, it's a 20 overs game. And this is the shortest and most exciting game in the world because it begins and ends quickly. And it is one of the most popular games worldwide. Playing cricket requires a lot of physical stamina and good presence of mind. So, dear brothers and sisters, it's an integral part of the culture. Cricket is a fun team sport where two teams compete. One team bats and try to score run, and while the other team try to prevent runs, and try to get batsmen out. So, dear lovely brothers and sisters, why they're playing in this small cricket field? Actually, there is no big space anywhere here. That's why they're playing in this small cricket field. Actually, this is really exciting game, and they're really right now having incredible, enjoyable moment, and I'm also having enjoyable moment with them and trying to make video and trying to practice as much as possible. And as you can see on my right, there is a football field, and some of my little brothers are playing football. Not only they are playing football, they are also playing. They're also trying to practice. They're trying to practice like how to kick in goalkeeper, how to kick towards goalkeeper. So now the game is over, and everyone is going home. And I don't want to make it more longer. Take care of yourself, stay well and safe, and don't go out home because in this hot summer, in this hot weather, if you go out, you'll get sick. Pray 5 times, and if you really enjoy watching this video so far, and if you think that this video is really helpful to explain about cricket smoothly, please share the video to your brothers and sisters, colleague, cousin, every single person, and please share the video on your Facebook and on your Facebook groups, on Messenger groups, on WhatsApp groups. And if you really would like to get my videos every single day, please follow me on Facebook to get more videos like this. And if you want to get me on YouTube as well, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel as well. So take care of yourself. Please pray 5 times. Allah Hafiz.